finally made it to the trailhead. All the boys behind me, about to hike out, and take y'all along with us. Just ran into a little dead end with the trees, so we're trying to figure out how to get across that. Once we do, we'll be back on trail. We're only probably not even half a mile out, probably almost half a mile from out. So keep y'all updated again.
Is this the river they call Styx?
The what?
Yeah. We good?
It's starting to hit a little bit. Feels good though. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Catching up a little bit. I mean, just look at this view. This is kind of a slope, no? How are we feeling, Ollie?
Tired as fuck, bro.
Woo! Back to it, back to it.
Yeah, once we go down, the rest of the trail should pretty much be like this.
Hold on, we gotta wait for Ollie. Feel the sweat pouring in. Just a little fatigue kick, but nothing crazy, you know.
All right, so we're still walking the trail. We had to go up a very steep incline, but I think we're almost in the clear to go downhill the rest of the way. This trail shouldn't be too difficult. Tomorrow might be a different story though. But yeah, we're still going. I mean, look at the view out there. No. Beautiful view. Just keep chugging along.
So we took the wrong route. We were going up a steep incline, and now we gotta hit a connector trail and get back to the route. We're probably like a mile and a half out. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. That's where we just were. Somewhere over there. Look at this. We're on top of the world right now, literally. Every time I think the view can't get better, it does.
Alright, so it's been a minute since I've talked to you guys. We went on the completely wrong trail, and we had to take a connector trail back to Judge Davis Trail. So we hiked probably an extra 2 miles to this trail. The sun is currently going down, if you can see that. It's about to go behind the mountain, so we're about to be hiking in the dark for another about 3.5, 4 miles. So this is going to be interesting, but we're going to try and accomplish it. Hopefully we don't have to camp somewhere in between on the way there, and we can get to our campsite safe. We're going to be using headlights and flashlights and stuff like that to see in the dark. So yeah, beautiful sunset though. Look at that, beautiful. What's up? Oh,
Making sure my lights are working, mate. Gotta make sure my lights are working. My lights. Back in
so it's going to be interesting. So we're going to try and accomplish it.
We out here in camp. Not camp, but we're about a little over halfway to the site. We have no lights out here, that's why I'm getting to hold the light on me so the GoPro can record it. Making progress though. A couple stars coming out. We just made it to the camp. That took about everything I had. I mean, we literally just got here. We found the campfire. Woo! Yeah!
Mexico, what are you doing, bro? You on the phone?
We're setting up the tent.
Alright, clip that in, dude.
I love this tent. It's got...
No, we should be able to fit pretty comfortably.
No. We've set up everything. Set up the tent too. Kids in there, just God bless America. Is this mine or yours? Did you just take out yours?
What do you mean?
This.
Yeah, that's mine.
Could probably just sleep out here, right beside that fire. Just been going through the motions, but we're warm now. Just what all that matters. Warm and cozied up.
That water will be boiling in probably about 3 minutes.
I bet.
Every time I come out here, I think about my bed, thinking about my new dog right now. It's lonely out here for a pimp. 2,500 feet total of elevation change. 2,500 feet, bro. Do you know how tall Everest is? 26,000 feet. We climbed 10% of Everest today.
Anyways, back to Adam. The ramen is being cooked.
Are you not entertained?
It's time to grub.
I'm chilling. We got the fire. We got the boys. I feel so warm. I don't know how y'all are cold.
This kid's been immersed.
My feet hurt. What can I say? It's another night. I'm roughing it with the boys.
We're gonna chill for a bit.
Right.
And head back in the morning. Eat some breakfast and head back.
Yeah, we made it. We were hiking in the dark for a few hours last night. I didn't even pick up this camera at all after we got here. But Shimei was recording, so we're all good. We're about to start heading back. 5.5 miles back. Probably get there. We're gonna be hiking in the dark again. Probably get there probably around like 9 or 10 o'clock. at night. See how this goes.
We're making progress. These tracks, like deer tracks, for sure, for sure. However, this hike back, it's definitely gonna be a challenge. We're doing amazing right now. Just gotta continue this level of effort. We're stopping a little over halfway done. We're gonna need that bear canister. We're about, I want to say 1 mile away from the car. The wind started kicking in, thankfully, a little after we started to come back up, so we didn't really have to deal with the wind biting us too much until we kind of started to make real progress. But still, what a hell of a journey.
We're a mile out right now. We're very close. I'll see y'all down there.
Look at this kid sprinting to the car. He hasn't hit a sprint in 3 days.
All right, guys, I don't know if you can see me, but we finally got to the car. So we're about to leave here, go get something to eat, and then just go home and rest
We're gonna come back
for a while.
We do this quicker, a faster time that we've experienced.
But anyways, yeah, that's my first video. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace out.